What's up guys, welcome to What to Hacks, and we will have new fidget spinner. This is my friend Hamza, and so you're excited to buy your new fidget spinner?
Yes.
And this is fidget spinner. These are barrels. These are barrels, and we put out barrels and spray the barrels and change the barrels. Without barrel, a fidget spinner is not working. And with barrel, I think it's work. You know, Hamza?
So
Like it's very spin. Ooh. It's a very good fidget spinner. I love my fidget spinner. And I will tell you some awesome tricks of fidget spinner like this. We will change the fingers. And you will see this. I will show you. This fidget spinner. Oh, it's failed. It's totally failed and the bells were out. And then try my friend is try the fidget spinner. Try. And it's spin. Woo! It's been very best. It's like a Ferrari tires. No. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel.